She is sorting the clothes by color. She is sorting the clothes by color. He has separated the dirty clothes. He has separated the dirty clothes. They are putting the clothes into the washing machine. They are putting the clothes into the washing machine. She has poured the detergent into the machine. She has poured the detergent into the machine. He is washing his trousers this morning. He is washing his trousers this morning. They have removed several difficult stains. They have removed several difficult stains. She is hanging the wet clothes on the line. She is hanging the wet clothes on the line. He has folded the freshly washed towels. He has folded the freshly washed towels.